going on, guys? We're going to be doing a video today. Been having issues with my windshield washer fluid. I think one of the hoses down here might have broke, so I'm going to go ahead and pull all this off, and I'm going to record it all and upload it for you guys to see. So let's go ahead and get this started. Alright, well, I don't really have the right tools to do this, so I'm just kind of improvise. Got a hammer here. Some of those plastic clips that they got going on here. Yeah, that works. So get your hammer underneath there. Just pull it out. Hopefully this is easy to fix this. Alright, so we got it pulled off. What we do is kind of pull this out of the way. Alright, when you pull this off, there's 3 tabs that go in those holes there. And so you just pop it out. You have to take this hood latch down to get it out. So go ahead and set this off to the side. Alright. As you can see right there, looks like the hose broke, so I'm going to take a look at that. Yeah, looks like it just snapped right off. So that's a shame. Yeah, so what you can do is you push in. It looks like, yeah, these just push in and it pops out this side. Alright. So these little things just push these little tabs in, and then it pops out the hood right there. So I'm going to try to glue this back. Get some super glue and glue that back, see if that'll work. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so we're here on the workbench. Got our piece. Just going to try to glue it back. Got some super glue here. Yeah, see whatever super glue you want. It's got some Permatex super glue. Alright, go ahead and just twist it on there. Sure you guys know how to use super glue, so I'm not going to go too in depth on it, but basically what I want to do, just want to put it on the edges here, not too much, because I don't want to fill in that gap that's in there, so just a dab will do, yeah. Alright, now hopefully that didn't fill it in. Alright. Go ahead and pull it together. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the super glue on the outside here. I'm going to put the super glue on the outside here, just around the edges. Just make sure that seals up. Don't want anything coming through. And super glue is cheap, so each one of these is like 30 bucks. So, and they didn't even have it in stock. I was going to buy it, but they didn't have it in stock. So, no. Gonna go ahead and let that dry, and then we'll pick it up from there. Alright, so we're back and it's all dried up, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in the car and see if it works, so let's pick it up from there. Alright, so when you're doing this, make sure that you put these opposite to each other, because if not, well, if that's the way it's supposed to go, obviously I didn't do that, but I'm still gonna try to make it work, so let's go ahead and give this a shot. So go ahead and slip it in there, and then these should just pop it together and it snaps it just like that. Okay, so there it is there. I'm gonna go ahead and stick the hose on there. It's upside down, so I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna feed the hose through here, through the hood here, and see if this will help make it easier. See if I can even do this. Make it easier to disconnect this. Alright, so gonna go ahead and just feed it through. Alright, reconnect there. Alright. sure you guys can see this. Alright, so I got it fed through under the hood here. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug it in there. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and move along this one over here. Now, before I put back on the engine sound guard, I'm going to go ahead and check to see if that actually works. So, I'm going to go ahead and close the hood. Actually, I'm going to keep the hood open. The engine's going to start. I'm going to test that and see if it actually works. Alright, so I just tested it. There's no leaks here. I always check that. Alright, so there's no leaks here. I'm going to go ahead and stick back on the engine shield, whatever they call this thing. And then call it good. So yeah, the way you have to do is you have to take that arm out of the way. Just to shove this in there. Not that big of a deal. It's a lot easier without having the hose in the way like it was before. So I guess I made it better than it was. And then use this kind of pop back in the way they were before. So when I used the hammer, these didn't really get that damaged, so they're still good to use. Kind of a good little trick. Alright, and that concludes how to do this. It's pretty simple. Yeah, just take out these 5 plastic pins, pull that down, and then, yeah, like you said, I already saw it. So, thanks for watching. Just a quick, easy video just to kind of troubleshoot the issue I was having, and hopefully if anybody else is having this issue, now they know. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, more videos like this will be coming. Thanks for watching. See you later.